Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Rashmi and I'm here to show you how to make delicious, tasty and healthy recipes for your child's tiffin. Today we're going to make Jowar Empanadas. So come along and let's see how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So to start with, I'm going to make the casing for the empanadas. I have half a cup of sorghum millet. Now this is very rich in micronutrients and fiber. And the best part is you're making an international dish and you're using some very basic Indian ingredients. I'm going to add half a cup of whole wheat flour and I'm going to knead this into a dough. So this is exactly like how you make the dough for your rotis. So I'm adding a pinch of salt to the dough and I'm going to make the dough and keep it aside for a while and get on to making the filling. Now for the filling, I'm going to add a little oil to the pan. I'm going to saute some onions. I've got some paneer, again very rich in protein. We have some chopped zucchini here, some asparagus, again finely chopped, and baby corn. So I'm going to saute this for a while, probably about 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Again, mind you, the sauce that we're going to use will have salt, so just be a little careful. And I'm going to sprinkle some parsley in this. Now you don't need to overcook this simply because you're going to put it in the casing of the empanadas and shallow fry it. So just a very gentle touch is enough. Now I'm going to add the vegetables to the pan. Now to this I'm going to add Kissan Mexican Salsa Sauce. This has fresh tomatoes and jalapeños and it's got everything that I really need in terms of spices. So there's not too many ingredients or too many processes in this dish. And with just a couple swirls, the filling is ready and it just smells absolutely divine. I'm going to make the casing now. It's the same method that you would use to make rotis. So we've got a decent puri size empanada and now I'm going to just add the filling in this. And now very gently just take it across. It's very similar to a samosa or a karanji that you make at home. So my empanada is ready. I'm just going to shallow fry it. I need very little oil for this. You can even bake this just to make it a little more healthier. And let this cook for about 8 to 10 minutes on each side. So the empanadas are ready. I'm all set to put it in the tiffin. Now this is the perfect kind of lunch for little fingers. Doesn't get too messy. It's nice and crispy. And to this we're going to add sprouts. Again, one of those very high in micronutrients and proteins and makes a perfect side. I'm going to add a few figs. I've got dried figs. So our Jowar empanadas are ready. It's an international flavor in your child's tiffin. It's just perfect for lunch. I hope you like this recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more of these. Send us your feedback in comments and join us as we help you make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.